of what we're calling our Wolverine workout. The type of workout that was used to get Hugh Jackman ripped and really looking good in a short period of time for his Wolverine movie, and now you can put it to work for you too. We covered part one already, which is more of a power phase, of your heavier weight phase. Now we're going to pull the weights back a little bit, slow down the reps, 3 seconds down, a little bit of a pause at the bottom, 3 seconds up. You're talking 6 to 7 seconds per rep, and around 8 reps, 8 to 10 reps per set. All right, 2 to 3 sets per exercise. We're going to go through, we're going to go through exercises right now. So again, slow down the reps, feel it, make the muscles work. This is the stuff, guys, I believe in the time under tension. This is the stuff where your muscles are under tension for a lot longer, working a lot more, than going to make you feel your muscles work that much harder. So what we're going to do is just grab some dumbbells. As promised, guys, shirt off, second week in a row. Second exercise, or second video in a row. You're going to start here. Up. Okay. Slowly bring 1 down, 2, 3. Pause. Up. 2, 3. Down. 2, 3. Up. 2, 3. You see now, we're not used to working out at this speed. Get a little pause. 2, 3. So, just from a standpoint of muscle confusion, you can really shake things up. A little pause. 2, 3. One more rep. 3. Pause. 2, 3. Okay? Bring it down. Right from there. Grab these, get these closest to me. We go into our rolling shoulder press. So I'm down here. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. On the way down. 2, 3. On the way up. 3. Way down. Up. And down. Okay, you got the picture there. 8 reps of that. Now, get that ball out of the way. Pull this. I'm going to do a little side shot of this. So I get myself right over here. Call this our commando push-up. Again, you want to do it slow. So again, position yourself on a decline, your feet up on a bench. Now as I head down to my push-up, I want to drop 1, 2, 3, and up, 2, 3. Okay? Drop it down slow, bring your knee up, a little bit of oblique crunch at the same time, and come up. 3. It's okay to count. 2, 3, 3. Okay, so you head through that, count those out. Now head back into our bar for our inverted pull-up. And from here, again, the key is slow. So even if you've seen this exercise before, it hasn't been performed this way because slowing it down recruits a whole new level of muscle fibers. So loosen yourself up, pull, 3, hold, 3, good, up, and down, 1 more. Okay, now my athletes are used to moving very quickly and explosively. But when they train this way, we're working a whole set of fibers that they're not used to working. So the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. You really get a great total body effect from switching things up a little bit. Now, I'm going to head right over here for what I call tempo step up. Again, it's very interesting. Step up, I'm going to slow down considerably to work the muscles a little bit differently. So down slow, 3, little pause, 2, 3. Get my arms working for me. I always want to stay somewhat athletic. In here, you're going about 8 reps. And of course, switch over other side, work my left leg, 2 to 3 sets, 60 seconds, rest each time. And then come back and finish up with a physio ball cruncher, something I call a physio crunch. What we do here is get up on the ball, physio ball, put it about shin height. Now, I pull in, slow, all the way in, crunch the abs out, and then roll it back. Toes are on top of the ball. Pull in, slow, out, slow. You don't want to sag like that. You're not working your abs that way. Good, one more. Show you one more. Pull up. As you can see, the rep speed is drastically slowed down. The results are drastically raised. It's a different way to work out. And until you try it, you don't know what it can do for you. So that's part 2. We got one more part coming. The last part of this Wolverine workout series is coming up just in the next video. It's Jeff Cavalier again, signing off. Learn more about these workouts. Go to athletelean.com right here on the link on the side of the video. Thanks, guys.